Hello, everyone. Amber Irwin here with Social Speak Network. I want to show you a super cool and easy way to create 25 images using ChatGPT and Canva. So these are going to be branded images for your social media posts in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. So we're going to open up ChatGPT. And in your prompt is going to be clear on what you want it to do for these social media posts. So for today, I'm going to say, write 25 social media how-tos for small business owners and put these in a table format. Table format is key, okay? So let's see what they come up with. So this is going to be 25, and again, you don't have to use all of these. I just did social media posts for small business owners because that's what our target market is. So I want to make sure that this is what we are looking for. So you can go over here and say, okay, I like these, or maybe let's try something else. So then let's come up here, copy what you wrote, and then let's do maybe social media tips for small business owners. Maybe take out the small, and then let's see what it comes up with. Wonderful. I like these better. This aligns more with what Social Speak speaks with our clients about and what we're talking about online. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this table, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come up here to open up a Google Sheet. And then you're going to paste that into here, okay? The formatting doesn't need to, do anything. We're going to say social media tips. Then you're going to file, download, and download this as a CSV. So that's downloaded. Now we're going to come to Canva, and you're going to create design, do social media. Now, here's where you can design your template before we bring in the data. So this may take a little bit more than 5 minutes if you don't have templates already made. So for the sake of time, I'm going to do social media. I'm going to see what they already have in Canva, if there's anything I like. So something like this is simple. We can add our logo here, change out this to our website. And then what we want to do is, so I would take this and I would do social media tip of the week and move this up to here. So you want to get your content, your layout, how you want it. So I'm going to change this to our branded colors. So like this, and then change this to Social Speak Network. This I want to be the railway. So I'm going to change to railway. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Oops. By making it a little bit bigger, you're able to kind of see if there's any of the spelling errors or things that you've missed. So then here, I'm going to change that black to maybe our mauve, and then the back images are fine. I'll go in and change those after, and then let's see if there's any elements that scream social media. So let's look at the graphics, and I'm going to take this little pinpoint out, and I'm going to, let's say, just for the sake of time, maybe this is kind of where it can get a little time consuming. Once you have this template made, then you're able to, it will save a lot of time. So I'm just going to do this one here, and I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to move this here. And obviously we can't see that over the black dot. So I'm going to change this. And I'll probably, just because my text is white, I'll probably just change this to white as well. So that's going to be my social media tip of the week. And so then what we want to do is we want to come to our apps down here, search bulk create, and then upload your CSV. This is going to be your social media tips that we did. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come to this element. We're going to click the three dots and click connect data. From here, we don't need the number that was on the sheet. We want the tip. So from here, we're going to do this. And so then this is going to be what that second column is. So now we're going to hit click continue, and it's going to bring in all 25 of them. So then you can click generate 25 images. It's going to open up a new window with every 25 with all of those tips. So then what you can do is you can click on that first one, click railway, change all. So what this is going to do is every box on each slide is going to now be the railway font, which is what we want. And then I'm going to change this. I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to change this to be 35. And with the size of the font, it may be different based on how much font is there for each tip. So then here we can then bold this if we wanted to. So here we can do 35, and then so you're gonna do a little bit of adjusting, but all of your content is here. And so now all you have to do is go in, take a couple minutes and format them, swap out a couple images based on the background. So you can come to here, come down to photos, and then social media goals. And you can put this here, or you can do this one. So whichever one, whichever image you want, then you can have it here. So, but the great thing is everything is done for you. So all of the content is here, and all you have to do is do the minor adjustments. But this can save you so much time by using ChatGPT, downloading that CSV file, and then uploading it into Canva. I hope this helps with your social media posts. Have a great day.